Hi dear friends, this is Saiful from Bangladesh with Saiful's Classroom channel. In this channel I normally explain some agriculture, random topic and textile related topics. But today I am come up with you to share on the tutorial on Microsoft Word. I will show you to do something different on Microsoft Word today, which I have done in my workplace. So I decided to share this technique to you so that you can also do so when it is needed to your workplace. So let's go to the computer screen to exactly show you how you can do so and what I am going to talk about. Just go to the Microsoft Word. Today I am going to show you by using the table how you can uh, make graph. Like, go to the insert tab, click on table and check the boxes here. Yeah, this is table, but I need to reduce the size of the width of this table. So in that case I have to go to layout, and here you can see one is 0.14, another one is 0.65. So I have to make it equal so that the size of the cell can be equal. So here I have I'm setting the value just 14 here. Okay, now it's done, it's 16. So let's make it change as well, 16. Okay, so it is the graph. So here you can insert some cell to right as well in that way, and again you can insert some cell to value as well. Okay, to insert cell value you can move our cursor to the right position and the last position of the uh, table, and we can enter it. Okay, by clicking enter we can also increase the number of cells. That is so easy. Or we can copy certain amount of cells and paste it here again. Okay, in that way the number of column is increasing in that direction, but you can do so here in this direction as well. Sorry, by pasting. Okay, I have copied two cell and pasting it here one after one. Okay, so we know in graph we have the border, and sometimes the border inside the box is not of equal size or equal shape. So we can select it and go to table design, and we can find several kinds of line. Like, if I just choose this line, then the weight like 1/4 point, and the border is all border, then the line will be changed, and you can see the line has been changed to a different shape. That is possible. And on the other hand, we can also increase or decrease the size of the line point and line pointing style and border style as well. So in our graph paper we normally use 1 2 3 4 5 after 5 line, a single line after 5 line, each and every 5 line. So to do so we can select again the line point, again another one. So let's change it to this one, and I'm just increasing the point a bit, like 3/4 point. And in case of no border pointer painter, I shall select the cell, like fifth cell I have selected. I want to draw a line after the fifth cell, fifth row. So here in border I have chosen the bottom border. Okay, then you can see a line, a sharp line has been created here. Okay, I think it's clear to you. And again after this 5 we can do so similarly, border, just bottom border. So after fifth line a bottom border has been created. So in vertical line like columns you can also do so. Here I have selected this one, and in border I am choosing the right border. Okay, so I think it's not clear to you right now, but I want to make some zoom here so that you can understand what's the difference. Here you can see this is the line, this is the line, so you'll be able to understand. If I just change the color from border style, then I think it will be more interesting to you to understand. So after 5, another 5, 3, 4, 5, let me draw another line, just right. Yeah, now you can see in that way we can make some lines as well after each five uh, lines. That is really important, because in that way we can define, it will be very easy for us to find out after which mark we are just crossing the 5 numbers. It is important in graph. Those who are associated with graph can easily understand it. So this is the technique, and you can easily make graph for you, which will help full after printing. You can make your design and graphs here very easily. So in that context it's so cool things, I must say, and I hope it was clear to you and you got some idea on it, and in that way you can make some graph in your educational purpose, and that will be helpful, I must say, to use the techniques what I have shared in this video today. Thank you very much for stopping by.